Namaskar. Nowadays, many people suffer from hair problem like hair thinning, dandruff, oily scalp, premature graying and breakage. Did you know that fenugreek, that is methi, commonly found in our kitchen, can give you solutions for all these problems? Let's understand why fenugreek is good for your hair. Fenugreek seeds have been used for centuries, and a recent research supports their power for hair health. They are rich in protein, mycothenic acid, and lecithin. These compounds help strengthen hair, reduce dandruff, and promote growth. The lecithin in fenugreek is beneficial as it provides deep moisture to dry or damaged hair. Meanwhile, the protein in fenugreek seed repair and fortify each hair strand. Let's make a unique fenugreek, hibiscus, and black tea hair mask for your hair. The ingredients you need are fenugreek seeds 2 tablespoons soaked overnight. These help strengthen hair and reduce dandruff. Hibiscus flowers 2 to 3 or dried petals. Hibiscus is known to boost shine, prevent premature graying, and promote thicker hair. Black tea half cup brewed and cold. Black tea is rich in tannins and caffeines, which help reduce hair shedding and adds a natural shine to your hair. Yogurt 2 tablespoons. The lactic acid in yogurt cleanses the scalp, while its protein adds moisture and soften the hair. This is how you must make hair mask. First, prepare fenugreek and hibiscus paste. For this, soak the fenugreek seed overnight. In the morning, blend the soaked seed with the hibiscus petal to form a smooth paste. Hibiscus adds a natural conditioning effect, and the blend of fenugreek and hibiscus promotes hair strength and elasticity. Second, mix cool black tea and yogurt together and mix well until the paste consistency is smooth. Black tea reduces hair fall and gives the mask a refreshing feel, while yogurt boosts moisture and gives a silky texture to your hair. All this mixed together, and let's see how you apply this hair mask. Apply mask from your scalp to the tips, focusing on any dry or damaged area. Leave it for 30 minutes. Let the ingredients penetrate deeply. Then rinse thoroughly with cool water, followed up with a mild shampoo. Be sure to remove all the residues for a fresh and clean feel. Remember, this mask gives complete hair treatment because fenugreek strengthens and reduces dandruff, hibiscus nourishes and promotes hair thickness, black tea reduces shedding and hair shine, yogurt softens and hydrates for a smooth finish. Using this mask once a week can give you long-lasting benefits. The natural protein and lecithin in fenugreek strengthens and smoothens hair. It's also excellent for reducing dandruff and itching, which makes this a great solution for a balanced scalp. So, use this powerful fenugreek hair mask for thicker, softer, and healthier hair. Namaskar.